algebraic expressions. First, let's see what is the meaning of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is the sum of several algebraic terms. What is the meaning of algebraic terms? Let's see. 15x cubed is an algebraic term called monomial in x. 15, this number 15, is the numerical part of the monomial called coefficient. So 15, the number in the monomial called coefficient. X is the variable of this monomial, and x cubed is the literal part of this monomial. So the number is the coefficient, and the letter is the literal part of the monomial. Monomial means it has letters. يعني for example 15 x cubed, 7x, 8y squared. These are monomials. Let's see another example. 10xy is a monomial in x and y. This means that the monomial can include many letters. X and y are the literal part, xy is the literal part, and 10, the number which is 10, is the coefficient of this monomial. A monomial can have several variables. X, Y, Z, T, any letter is the variable. But when we write, for example, a number and follows by letters, all these letters are the literal part. So the monomial can have several variables that are together, that form together the literal part, and the number, which is -6, is the coefficient. Let's see here for each monomial. Let's see what is the coefficient here. 2 is the coefficient. 15 is the coefficient. 13, only the number. 7. And the letters are the literal part, x cubed, y to the power 4, x squared y, xy squared z. Two monomials are like if they have the same literal part. So two monomials can have different coefficients and same literal part, so they are like. Let's see here what are the like monomials. Let's search the same literal part. Here we have xy, the same, but here we don't have number. What is the coefficient? The coefficient is 1. So this one, xy, we look at the literal part. Never mind, the coefficient can be any number, but they should have the same literal part. So these three monomials are like. Let's search if we have another like monomials. Let's see, here we have x squared y. Let's see if we have another x squared y. So this one and this one are like monomials. Here we don't have number, it means we have -1. Now we have here xy cube. Do we have xy cube? Yes. Here xy cube and 16 xy cube are like, and these the last two ones are also like monomials because they have the same literal part. Now let's see how we add two monomials or many monomials that are like monomials. Let's see this example. We have 2x squared minus 3x squared plus 7x squared. They have the same literal part, but they have different coefficients. So what we have to do, we keep the literal parts the same, and we only add or subtract the coefficient. This means how we add these like monomials. We have 2 minus 3 plus 7. We add the numbers and we keep the literal part. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 7 plus 6. So the answer is 6x squared. Why we write x squared? Because the literal part remains the same, which is x squared. So to add or subtract monomials that are like monomials, we add and subtract the coefficient and we keep the literal part. Here we have a squared b cubed 5a squared b cubed minus 8a squared b cubed. The literal part is a squared b cubed, but here we don't have number, so the coefficient is 1. So 1 plus 5 minus 8, we get minus 2